Hi, everyone! Today, we're sharing a video showing how to install Dazuma's outdoor wall-mounted black LED waterproof light. Includes 1 expansion bolt kit, 1 black outdoor wall-mounted waterproof LED light, First, remove the 2 mounting screws at both ends of the product's base and set them aside safely. Then remove the mounting plate from the bottom of the product. First, place the mounting plate where you plan to install the product. Then mark the location and drill the holes. Insert the 4 screw sleeves into the holes. Align the product mounting plate with the 4 screw sleeves and place it in position. Then insert the 4 mounting screws into the screw sleeves. Connect the push and quick connect terminals you have provided to your power supply cable. Connect the power cord at the bottom of the product to your push and quick connect terminals. Place the product on the stand and tuck the power cord into the product's interior compartment. Reinstall the 2 mounting screws at both ends of the bottom of the products that were removed earlier. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.